everybody, Mrs. Houston. Today we're going to look at solving equations, and on this worksheet you'll notice I gave you a note to combine like terms first. Okay, so for all of these equations you look on each side of the equal sign and see if there's any like terms that you can combine. Okay, if you look at the one that I did for you, example 1 here, you'll see that I circled the 2 and the 7. Those are called constant terms. They have no variable with them, so they are like terms. So we're just going to combine them together. They both happen to be positive, and so I just added 2 plus 7, and I got 9. So you can see that's why I rewrote that side as 3x plus 9. Then I just followed the steps to solve for x. Subtract 9 on both sides. So we got 0 here, 3x equals a -6 minus 9 is -15. And remember, we always divide by the number in front of x, so divide both sides by 3, and -15 divided by 3 gave us -5. And we can see that that was an answer choice here. Okay, so if we move along, I'm going to take a look here at number 3, let's say. Okay, this one says -17 on one side. So there's only one term. I can't combine any like terms over there. But on the right side, I have 4x plus 8 minus 9x. Okay, what are the like terms on that side? Okay, and hopefully you've noticed that on this one, the x's are the like terms. And notice that I want to take the sign in front with the number, so I brought that sign with the -9. Excuse me. Okay, so we are going to combine the 4x and the -9x. Okay, so if you're going to use your calculator to help, you can type in the coefficients. Those are the numbers in front. You can do 4 plus -9 or just 4 minus 9, and you get -5. Okay, so this side stays the same, but now on the right side, instead of writing those two out separately, we combine them together to get -5x plus 8. Okay, now as you can see, it's hard for me to fit my work. It might be hard for you to fit your work as well. Feel free to get a separate sheet of paper and do your work there. So now we're going to solve this. We're going to try to isolate that x. So the first thing I have to do is take care of the plus 8. So the opposite is going to be to subtract 8 on both sides. All right, and this is a common problem that I see. I want to show you guys real quick on the calculator here. Okay, that is -17 minus 8. It's not minus -8. Okay, so just type that minus sign once. We only see one sign, so we only want to do -8. If you do minus a negative, you're going to get the wrong answer. Okay, so that's like borrowing $17, then borrowing 8 more. All together now, you owe 25. Okay, so I'm going to bring that down on the left side. -25 equals, on the other side, +8 minus 8 is 0, so we just have a -5x. Okay, and now -5 and x are multiplying, so the opposite is to divide. Let me divide both sides by -5. Okay, and -5 divided by -5 is just 1. I'm going to leave it invisible in front of the x. And then -25 divided by -5 gives you a +5. Okay, and then you'll check your worksheet for a +5. And that is just down a little bit farther. It's letter L.